gonna go get some food at Dairy Queen because I'm starving today. Oh, don't you worry. I'll take care of myself by throwing a tennis racket at Hiccup. So, here goes nothing.
Ouch. My head really hurts because Dr. Facilier has just threw a tennis racket at me.
Oh my gosh. Hiccup, are you alright? Did someone throw a tennis racket at you?
First off, no, I am not. And second, yes, while I was trying to order my food, Dr. Facilier ended up throwing a tennis racket at me. And thanks to that, I am severely injured and I had to rush to the hospital all because of him.
Uh-oh. I'm totally busted for sure.
That's right, Dr. Facilier. Todico recently informed me that you threw a tennis racket at Hiccup at Dairy Queen while he was ordering his food. You are not allowed to throw a tennis racket at people, especially Hiccup. Now Hiccup's head is really injured and he has to be rushed to the hospital thanks to you.
So I guess I'm grounded, right?
That's right. You will be grounded for the rest of the week for what you did to Hiccup at Dairy Queen today. Now, I need you to go to your room right now and I will tell Prince Naveen and Louis the alligator about this when they get home.
Okay, Tina. Wow.